Hi, I'm Paul DiBartolomeo. Welcome to Training Minutes. In this segment, we're going to discuss the characteristics of cribbing. We're going to explain the difference between capture stack and lift stacks, and we're going to demonstrate how to properly build a box crib in conjunction with high-pressure airbags. Cribbing used for most fire department operations consists of 4x4 blocks 24 inches long, 4x4 wedges 18 inches long, 2x4 blocks 24 inches long, and 2x4 wedges or shims. Generally speaking, most fire departments use Douglas fir or southern pine to construct their cribbing. Although these woods are considered to be soft woods, they have a maximum load capacity of 500 psi. They also have the built-in safety feature as they crush slowly and give advanced warning prior to failure. Given the maximum load capacity of 500 psi and multiplying it times the contact surface area of the 4x4, we come up with a contact load rating of 6,000 pounds. So a standard 2x2 box crib with 4 points of contact can support 24,000 pounds, provided each contact point is equally loaded. The standard 2x2 box crib is good for capturing light to moderate loads, but it is not intended to be used as a lift stack because of its open middle space. The open middle causes the lower contact surface of the airbag to sag when the bag is inflated. As that bag sags, it's going to apply lateral pressure to the cribbing and may cause the crib stack to collapse. A 3x3 cross-tie crib has 9 points of contact. Therefore, it can support 54,000 pounds as long as each point of contact is equally loaded. The 3x3 is designed to capture moderate to heavy loads and is more designed for lifting. The center span of the 3x3 cross-tie crib will support the lower surface area of the airbag. So as the bag inflates, we don't have to worry about the bag sagging into the crib. When we're building a standard 2x box crib, if we're working on dirt or soft ground such as asphalt, we want to start with a solid base surface, a good foundation to build off of. As we build our tiers, we want to make sure we have 4-inch overhang at each contact point. This overhang, in the event that the crib stack begins to crush, will cause the wood to actually expand and will help to prevent complete failure. We have to take into consideration the height of our crib stack. We only want to build our crib stack to a ratio of 3:1, the space of the cribbing. That 3:1 rule doesn't refer to the length of the 4x4. It refers to the footprint between the ties, which, if we adhere to the 4-inch overhang, will be a span of 16 inches. So multiplying 16 inches times 3, we come up with 48 inches. So our box crib stack should not exceed 48 inches. If we start to build cribbing any higher than that, it becomes unsteady and we could have a collapse. What we have here is a 3x cross tie lift stack. It's important when lifting with airbags that we finish this cribbing with a solid top layer of 4x4s. This solid top layer is going to fully support the lower contact surface of the airbag. Something we've come up with in lieu of the solid top layer of 4x4s is what we call a plywood pad. Basically what it is 3 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood glued and screwed together. We cut these pads to the dimensions of the airbag. For example, this pad is 20 inches by 20 inches, and as you can see, we have listed on the pad the corresponding bag that it goes with, the pressure setting, and the statistics that go with that bag. Simply put, on top of your crib stack, you have a solid base to work on, and the airbag fits perfectly on top. What we do is we cut plywood pads to correspond with every bag we have on the apparatus. As we see here, this pad is for use with the 4.3-ton bag. We have all the vital statistics right on the bag, which makes it easier for the operator at the emergency scene. This pad here is cut to fit the 6.5-ton bag. And again, all the vital statistics are right on the bag. It gives us a nice solid platform to lift off of. As with any fire department operation, having predetermined assignments and pre-rigged equipment allows for a quick and efficient operation. Many companies have assignments for airbag operations. In my company, the can man is assigned to the cribbing. This assignment entails him to bring the cribbing to the rescue scene and assemble box cribs to support the evolution. As you can see, our system is pre-rigged to bring the most widely used cribbing right to the rescue scene. Our carrying case contains 4x4 blocks, 4x4 wedges, and 2x4 blocks. This case can support an initial operation. In addition, the carrying case doubles as a plywood pad to lift off of. So this carrying case system allows one firefighter to transport a decent amount of cribbing to a rescue scene in a quick and reliable manner. I'm Paul DiBartolomeo. Thank you for watching Training Minutes.